Hello, we are Group 2, and our group chose to investigate COVID-19 in relation to overall health and well-being. In our introduction, we posed the question, how has COVID-19 affected our overall health and wellness? Will it decrease, increase, or stay the same? And does it vary among genders, ages, or socioeconomic status? And what are the implications with all of these? Our group also incorporated data responding to various effects COVID had on mental, physical, and social health. Because this is a new pandemic, there isn't a whole lot of preliminary research, although I was able to find a few that I believe will be drawn upon for later research, ours included, but it's important to look at the few research articles that have come out to discuss COVID and health-related implications. One being that this study looked at China specifically, and it was shown that there was a huge direct increase in correlation in response to COVID-19 and with anxiety, depression, self-reported stress, and disrupted sleep among participants.